My child, when it comes to communication, it's important to focus on building genuine connections and mutual respect rather than trying to manipulate someone or make them obsessed with you. If you want obsession from someone in the form of love because you really love them, then this video is for you. Healthy relationships are built on trust, understanding, and open communication. If you are interested in creating meaningful connections through text, here are some tips to help you. Number 1. Be genuine and authentic. Show your true self in your texts. Be honest, sincere, and genuine in your interactions. This will help build trust and make the other person feel more comfortable. Number 2, show interest and listen. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and respond accordingly. Show genuine interest in their life, hobbies, and passions. This will make them feel valued and appreciated. Number 3, use humor and wit. A little bit of humor and wit can go a long way in text conversations. Lighthearted banter and playful teasing can help create a fun and enjoyable atmosphere. Number 4, keep the conversation balanced. It's important to have a balanced conversation where both parties contribute and share their thoughts and experiences. Avoid dominating the conversation or making it all about yourself. Number 5, be patient and respectful. Respect the other person's boundaries and response time. Avoid bombarding them with excessive messages and being pushy. Give them space and time to respond. Number 6, use emoticons and emojis. Emoticons and emojis can help add emotional context to your messages, making them more engaging and expressive. However, use them sparingly and appropriately to avoid overdoing it. Number 7, avoid playing games or being manipulative. Healthy relationships are built on trust and honesty. Trying to manipulate someone or play mind games will only lead to misunderstandings and potentially damage the connection you're trying to build. Building a strong connection with someone takes time, effort, and genuine interest. Focus on creating meaningful conversation and getting to know the other person on a deeper level. Wake up.